Guys, welcome back to my channel. I can't see anything, so I don't know if I'm in frame, but I started filming yesterday, and lo and behold, the file got corrupted, so I lost everything that I did. But I made this tuck spot, this tuck spot, this tuck spot, this pocket, this pocket, this pocket, this pocket, and this little flip up, which was from Sydney Murray Fraser on our Facebook group with Miss P, the Junk Journals and mini albums. She sent me this, and I just added the buttons and the bow to use and inked around it. And this was a altered paper clip that I had made for a roller prompt also, that I kept one and I'm sending the other two in Happy Mail, and that is what I've made. I've got this is a quick video today, but all that is going to go into the Goth Journal, and I've got classes today and I teach today, so I won't be available today to make any more ephemera. But when I come back tomorrow, we'll be doing pockets and tags and flip outs and stuff like that for the journal, and then we'll begin decorating the journal. So I'm sorry for the quick video. I wish I hadn't lost the files, but my phone decided to act up and wouldn't connect to the internet or anything, had to reset it. So, you know, technical difficulties. But anyway, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow, and I hope you guys have a lovely day. Bye!